Welcome to the Postcard Tycoon information line. Postcard Tycoon is a complete, all-inclusive business package containing everything needed to generate multiple income streams, yet is so easy that it can be run simply by mailing postcards, leading to a website provided to you that can put $300 in your pocket from each and every sale. You don't need a computer to make money with Postcard Tycoon. The website helps make the sale, and you get your $300 payments in the mail so fast, you'll think your mailbox was your own personal ATM machine. That's right, $300 payments sent directly to you on every sale. Postcard Tycoon does this without any confusing multi-level matrix plans where you have to be a genius just to figure out how and when you get paid, if ever. Our business is based on simplicity. You make a sale, you get paid $300 each and every time, period. Simplicity is beautiful and profitable. Here's more good news. You are awarded bonuses in our 5 for Life incentive program, which gives you 500 free stamps, 500 free postcards, and 500 free names on every fifth sale you make, in addition to your regular $300 payments. With our bonus program, it is entirely possible for you to run your Postcard Tycoon business perpetually without having to spend on postage, postcards, or names again. Postcard Tycoon is a business that is carefully structured to put you first. Our bonus program just mentioned is an example of what we do for you. WTM Publications does not make any money unless you do. So we make it as easy for you as possible. How about that beautiful full-color postcard you got in the mail? If you don't want to wait until you earn a 5 for Life bonus award, you can buy more customized cards with your website information starting at less than 9 cents, but priced as low as 4 cents in quantity. You can't even get a black and white one-sided copy for less than a dime nowadays. Carefully compare our offer to others, and the differences quickly become evident. You will see that they charge so much more for supplies like postcards simply because they do not care about you and they make a living off you buying their supplies. When you get your Postcard Tycoon business package, we include 250 postcards and names ready for you to get started immediately. Our bonus program delivers packets of 500 cards, 500 names, and 500 stamps post-paid to your door free on every fifth sale. All you have to do is put them in the mail. No other business offers you the opportunity to make repeated $300 profits plus bonus awards with 5 for Life on every fifth sale. Only Postcard Tycoon. You could possibly generate $10,000 or more per month, and the hardest thing you'll ever do is just mail out your personalized postcard. Postcard Tycoon is one of the most affordable businesses in America. A tiny 1% return from your included 250 postcard starter pack, 2 sales, pays for this business. Can you think of another business that pays for itself so quickly? It is impossible to fully describe this incredible business in this recording. You need to either go to the website on the postcard you received or send for the complete report from the address on the postcard. Get started today, and in about 12 months, you could be retired and living your dreams. We look forward to working with you.
Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're well. Before we get started, guys, go ahead and do me a favor. Click the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back to the channel, guys. Okay, I'm back today with the Postcard Tycoon. This video today is to show people how they can automate the Postcard Tycoon system. This program is a postcard program in which you can make $300 commissions over and over. I started with the program back in 2016 from the first day of inception, and it's a great system. However, the card itself, okay, drives people to a website. Okay, it has your link on it, but from that point, you're not collecting the leads. So I've been getting a lot of people asking me, well, how can I automate the Tycoon like you do? So people have to put in their name and email into a system. So that's what I'm here to show you today. I use the Conversion Pros. So I'm going to show you how I do that. Okay. But it pays $300 per sale. It comes with a website that I'm showing you right now. It included in your starter kit is 250 postcards and 250 leads. Okay. After every 5th sale, the company offers you what they call the 5 for Life bonus. 500 postcards, 500 leads, and 500 stamps over and over and over after every 5th sale. Okay. That's a pretty cool bonus. Now, when you join me, I'm going to give you 400 leads as well. So that's going to give you a total of 650 leads just to get started in the program. I think that's a great way to get started. Okay. Now, on this particular page, it tells you everything that's included. They lay it all out for you. So just go to my site, thepostcarddiva.com, check it out and get all the details. Okay. But that's the gist of it. Okay, it comes with the website, comes with a info line as well. That's on the card and it's on this website. But today I want to show you how to automate it. Okay, this is not for everybody. This is for the people that want to take it online and start collecting their leads, and they want a system to follow up with those leads via email. Okay, so I'm going to show you that. But go check out my link below, and you can just go through the system and get all the details. But it's a great system to get started. It's only $4.98. 2 money orders, one for $300 and one for $198. Mail them both into one company, and the company will forward us the commission. Okay, so let me show you how I automate this thing. All right, that's what we're here to talk about today. How to automate Postcard Tycoon using a marketing system. Okay, check this out. So this is the system I use, the Conversion Pros. This is one of the pages they give us. They give us 4 websites that we can promote. Okay, and they do all the follow-ups for us, so we don't have to follow up with people that's interested. Once people enter their information, set up an account, they'll follow up with them. Now, what I love about the Conversion Pros is it comes with a app, as you can see on this page. It's pretty cool. That app is on your phone, so when people opt into any of your pages, you instantly going to get that notification on your phone, and you'll know what page they opted into. It's an awesome system. It's $50 a month, but it comes with an affiliate program of commissions of $25. So that everybody pays $50 a month, but you make half of that, $25. The company splits it down the middle. You're a partner. So when people sign up and they pay $50, you make $25. Okay, and as long as they continue to pay their $50 every month, you make $25 every month from those members, and they pay every week. Okay, so there's unlimited capture pages, unlimited autoresponders. You can import any a list that you may already have. It's a full turnkey system. Okay, I've been using it for quite a while, and most of the pages you see I've created in the Conversion Pros. And like I say, they do pay when you refer people that sign up. Okay, every Friday. All right, so let me show you how I do this with the Postcard Tycoon. Hang on. Now, when you go to my website, thepostcarddiva.com, you're going to get this page, right? So you can do the same thing. You can put a picture. I can give you my share code. We can put your picture back here. Okay, just a picture. And you can use the same verbiage, or you can edit it any way you want. Join me in this, and I'll set it up for you. Okay, you get in the Tycoon, and then you join me in the Conversion Pros, and I'll set it all up for you. So we can put your picture there, right? So I have this capture page. Make 300 a day mailing postcards. I'm asking for the name, email, and phone number. Now, where does that take them when they enter their information? I'll show you. All right, let's see. Hang on. Okay, I created this page. It's called my sales page. So right here, I have the information at the top, the title, earn 300 a day, right to your mailbox, mailing postcards. And I actually did a explainer video, and I can do that for you as well. That an explainer video where I explain the program. Okay, so I can make a generic one for you guys that want to do this without having my postcard on the screen, and just let people know to go to the information below, get back with the person that referred you. So what we would do for you is you wouldn't have a video unless you have one. If you have one, wonderful. We'll plug them in. If you don't, I can do an explainer video here, take this one out and just have your name and number here. And then check this out. What happens is when they click get started, then it goes to the Postcard Tycoon website that they give all of us. This is the page, right? But what will happen, it'll have your name and number at the bottom. Okay? Right here. And that's it. And it will, this system, I've created an autoresponder so it will follow up with the people. So that's how we automate it. Okay? Very simple. Very simple. All right. Now look at this page, guys. On your website that WTM gives you, right here. If we click this, it will start playing the message. There's an info message here. See right here, it says listen to this important message or call this number 857-957-1653. It's a 24/7 info line. But let's just click it.
Welcome to the Postcard Tycoon information line. Postcard Tycoon is a complete, all-inclusive business package containing everything needed to generate multiple income streams, yet is so easy that it can be run simply by mailing postcards, leading to a website provided to you that can put $300 in your pocket from each and every sale. You don't need a computer to make money with Postcard Tycoon. The website helps make the sale, and you get your $300 payments in the mail so fast, you'll think your mailbox was your own personal ATM machine.
Is that cool or what? Okay, so everyone has to go to the website. When they get your card in the mail, they're going to get your link, and when they go there, this is the page they're going to see. So when you come down, how do you get started? This is what everyone has to do. You don't sign up with the postcard. You actually will go to the website, come all the way down. See, come all the way down here, and it tells you, click here for a printable Tycoon order form. Okay, so you click there. Okay, and this is what you're going to need to fill out. Okay, so fill out this form and make sure it's legible, because this is where your commissions is going to go. Whatever address you put here, and email, so that they can reach out to you if there's any questions, as well as your starter kit. Everything will go to this address. If it changes, you will just email WTM and let them know. But this is the form you're going to need to complete to get started with the Tycoon. So it tells you right here, fill out the form. You're going to need a $300 money order and a $198 money order. So 300 will go to the person's name right here as authorized dealer, and 198 will go to the company WTM. You mail them both to this address. I recommend you mail them priority mail so that you can get a tracking number. That way you know when it arrives at WTM's office. Okay? Because mail sometimes does get lost. That's it, guys. Okay, so that's how I automate it through the Conversion Pros. Go ahead. I'm going to put the link below if you're interested in doing it this way, and then reach out to me so that we can set your page up. I can help you set your page up if you want to do this. And that way, when you mail your postcards out, you can kind of track what's going on. Because when people go to your page, your capture page, enter their name and email, okay, you're going to be notified through the Conversion Pros. They're going to send you an email and say, hey, you just got a lead. Okay, and then you'll know, okay, people are actually going to the website. I'm getting leads. And if you like, you can reach out to these people. Otherwise, we also have an autoresponder that's going to be set up with email series that's going to follow with the people. But at least you'll kind of know and be able to track your leads and your sales. Okay, so that's it. Automate the Postcard Tycoon if you so choose to do that. Now, again, when you join me, I'm going to send you an email. So reach out to me and let me know that you've sent your payment in with the tracking number. And I'm going to send you an email because I have a specific printing company I use. I don't use the one that the company uses. Nothing wrong with it. I just can get a better price for you guys. Okay. So I have a different printing company, and I have specific vendors that I use for the leads. Okay. So that is how I work. So I'll send you an email with that information, and that way we can kind of touch bases and I can work with you on getting all this stuff set up if you're going to automate it. All right. So that's all I've got for you guys today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, guys, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.